Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by activating the terminal with your Woolworths card or by tapping the screen. This links your purchase to Rewards and Speed's checkout. Once done, place a large or heavy item on the scale so the machine establishes a baseline weight. This prevents weight errors later. Then, scan each barcode one at a time and move items to the bagging area. Do this methodically so the system and you stay in sync and avoid mischarges. As you continue scanning, handle exceptions like produce by using the on-screen PLU keypad or search, and then place the weight item on the scale. This records kilos correctly. If a price seems wrong or an item fails to scan, press the Help button so staff can approve or enter a manual override. Doing this keeps queues moving. If you need to split payment methods, choose the payment options on screen and follow prompts to complete each portion cleanly. When all items are scanned, tap Pay and pick your method. Use Card Tap for speed, insert chip if requested, or choose cash and follow on-screen change instructions. Make sure to wait for the confirmation and the printed or digital receipt, then quickly verify totals and items before you walk away. If the terminal locks, shows a weight error, or won't accept payment, press Help or cancel the transaction, and call an attendant to restart or manually clear the session so you don't lose time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.